In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Klaviyo Sale Close Shop. Start by logging into your Klaviyo account and looking at the left sidebar. Click on Campaigns. This is where you create one-time email sends, like a limited-time clothing sale announcement. Next, click Create Campaign, then choose Email. Selecting Email here tells Klaviyo you are building a standard email campaign, not a text message or another channel. You will now be asked to name your campaign. Enter Clothing Sale as the campaign name, then click Save and Continue. A clear name matters because it helps you find the campaign later, especially if you run multiple promotions over time. After that, you will choose who receives the email. Select your recipient list, such as your newsletter or main subscriber list. Take a moment to confirm you are using the correct audience, because this controls exactly who will see the sale. If you have different customer groups, make sure you pick the list that matches your promotion. Now move on to the email design. Click Content, then select Template. Klaviyo will open the template library. Choose a sale template from the available options. These templates are designed to highlight discounts, feature products clearly, and keep the call to action easy to spot. Once the template loads, click on the product block inside the email. This is the section that pulls in items from your store. Link your Shopify or BigCommerce store when prompted. This connection lets Klaviyo access your product catalog so you can display real items with images, prices, and links that customers can click. After your store is connected, select the sale items you want to display in the email. Choose products that match the promotion you are running, and make sure the items you pick are actually discounted and in stock. This helps avoid customer frustration and improves conversions. When your products are set, go to Review Campaign, then choose Schedule or Send. Use scheduling if you want the email to go out at a specific time, or send immediately if you are ready. Before you finalize, scan through the email one last time to ensure the product's links and overall layout look correct. And that is all there is to it.